Hello, this is Alice. Now I'm in the waterfall in MaJia LiangShan in Pingtung. The waterfall is great. It's fresh air and very cool. Very nice weather right now. Actually, it's raining right now. It started to rain for about 3 to 4 minutes. And so we need to get out of here as soon as possible. But it's great to be here. The LiangShan Waterfall in MaJia Pingtung. And usually when you come to Pingtung, you have chance to know the aborigines culture a lot. There are many aborigines in Pingtung. For example, Paiwan and Rukai. And LiangShan Waterfall is one of the attraction here. Wow, it's great. And pity I'm going to go away right now and hope I can come back here as soon as possible.